Chip Daniels is a real Geico customer, not an actor. A white-knuckle production that will keep you on the edge of your seat wanting more. There is a place where all your darkest, sickest fantasies are possible. In a world where your car has been completely plowed by an 18-wheeler, a tradition passed on to the next generation. Have you ever wondered how it feels to make money working from home?
There's only a few things I enjoy. One being calamari. It's good stuff. Two, sword fighting.
And also, I really appreciate the indoors.
I may be 86 years old, my friend, but I am a spring chicken.
Do you have the feelings of inadequacy? Do you suffer from shyness or wish you were more assertive? You know you can book a hotel right from your iPhone. Like most people, I was skeptical. Geico. Real stories, real savings. I like the mozzarella's, a few things, turkey sandwiches, things like that. It's that simple. Punish this summer or kill. Payback. This time, it's for real.